Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up everything. You want purchases and progress safe. Once done, unlink third-party logins like Facebook or Google so they don't block removal. Next, open the game, go to Settings, then Account or Management. You must access the Moonton account panel to start a deletion request. Do this now, don't pause. These steps ensure you control verification and that support has the correct account ID when you proceed to the formal request. Now you prepare the formal request. Gather your UID, bound email or phone, and any purchase receipts to prove ownership. Then, use the in-game support tool or the official support email to file a deletion request. Explain why you want removal and paste the UID up front. Attach screenshots of your account page and receipts so verification is fast. After you send it, note the support ticket ID. You'll need that to follow up or confirm the next verification steps. Finally, follow any verification messages from support and reply promptly. They may ask for a selfie, ID, or purchase proof, so respond exactly as requested. Once they confirm deletion, remove the app, clear cache, and revoke Moonton access from Facebook/Google to avoid reconnect. If the process stalls or you don't receive confirmation within the stated window, recontact support with your ticket ID and request escalation. Persistence and clear evidence are usually what resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.